Welcome back to Control Your Money, the ultimate destination for financial wisdom and strategies to help you take charge of your financial future. Today, we have an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: how to retire early, a financial literacy guide for millennials. So, grab your notepads and get ready to learn some serious money moves. Alright, my fellow millennials, let's dive into the world of early retirement. Picture this: palm trees, sandy beaches, and not a care in the world. That's the dream, right? Well, with the right mindset, strategies, and a sprinkle of financial literacy, you can make this dream a reality sooner than you think. So, let's get started. Why early retirement? Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. Why should you strive for early retirement? Well, besides the obvious perks of sipping margaritas on a Tuesday afternoon, early retirement gives you something much more valuable: freedom. It's all about gaining control over your time and being able to pursue your passions without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. Imagine having the time and resources to travel, start your own business, or simply spend quality time with your loved ones. Sounds amazing, right? So, let's uncover the secrets of how to make this happen. The power of saving and investing. Now, it's time to talk about the backbone of early retirement: saving and investing. Here's a fact that might surprise you: small, consistent steps can lead to massive results. By adopting a frugal lifestyle and making conscious spending choices, you can free up a significant portion of your income to put towards your retirement goals. One way to kickstart your savings journey is by building an emergency fund. This safety net will protect you from unexpected expenses and keep you on track with your long-term goals. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, and you'll sleep soundly knowing that you're financially prepared for life's curveballs. Once you have your emergency fund squared away, it's time to invest in your future. The stock market can be intimidating, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Start by educating yourself on the basics of investing and consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for long-term growth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your long-term goals, and don't let short-term market fluctuations discourage you. And hey, here's a joke to lighten the mood: why did the investor bring a ladder to the stock market? Because they wanted to reach new heights. The power of side hustles. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon of early retirement: side hustles. In today's gig economy, there are countless opportunities to earn extra income outside of your day job. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or starting your own online business, a side hustle can significantly accelerate your journey to financial independence. Side hustles not only boost your income but also provide a chance to explore your passions and develop new skills. Plus, they give you the freedom to diversify your income streams, reducing your reliance on a single source of income. So, get creative, find something you enjoy, and turn it into a profitable side hustle. The magic of compound interest. Alright, now it's time to unveil the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world." And he was right. It's a powerful force that can turbocharge your savings and investments over time. Here's how it works: when you invest your money and earn interest or dividends, those earnings are reinvested, creating a snowball effect. Over the long term, your initial investment grows exponentially. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, giving you a significant advantage. So, don't wait. Start investing as early as possible and make compound interest your best friend. It's like planting a money tree that grows on its own while you sit back and enjoy the fruits of your financial wisdom. 5. The importance of smart spending. We've talked about saving, investing, and earning extra income, but let's not forget about the importance of smart spending. It's not about depriving yourself of life's pleasures. It's about being intentional with your money and prioritizing what truly brings you joy. Ask yourself, do I really need that shiny new gadget or another pair of shoes that will gather dust in my closet? By cutting back on unnecessary expenses and embracing a minimalist mindset, you can redirect those funds towards your early retirement goals. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Find your support system. Last but not least, find your support system. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and aspirations. Seek out online communities, attend local meetups, and build connections with people who can offer guidance and accountability on your journey to early retirement. Having a support system not only keeps you motivated but also opens doors to new opportunities and knowledge. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Congratulations, my fellow millennials. You now have the tools and knowledge to embark on the exciting journey towards early retirement. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the ride and taking control of your financial destiny. By saving, investing, hustling, and being intentional with your money, you can create a life of financial abundance and freedom. So, go out there, put these strategies into action, and make your dreams of early retirement a reality. Together, we'll control our money and live life on our own terms. Thank you for joining us on Control Your Money. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep control of your money.